Welcome back to Spillane Family Travels. This channel is dedicated to enriching your travel experiences.
I'll see him.
Here you'll find tips and tricks for world-class destinations and theme parks. So if you're like us, you have a passion for traveling. We want to share our experiences with you to make your travel experiences better. Knowledge is key to maximizing your adventures. We're hopeful that our travel, shared with you, will help you with your planning as you prepare to take your trip, the trip of a lifetime. So let's travel. And if you like what you see here, please subscribe to the channel for more travel content. Your positive comments, likes on the videos are greatly appreciated, and questions are always welcome.